Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your iPhone 15. So in the first step we have to open the App Store, then look for the Fax app. Choose the Fax free, install it and open. Tap on the continue. Continue again, and again, and again, and again, and after you can enable your free trial to send the message for free. Now you can choose the country from the list, enter number, or just pick some of your saved contacts by this little icon. Now enter the sender name and the sender phone number. To choose the document, click on the add and choose something from your choose the source of your document or the picture. I'm gonna take a quick photo. Now click on this little miniature and you can, how you can see, the crop or the resize the page and select the brightness and the contrast. So if you're ready, click on the done, and to send this message just click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.